so I ain't switching to a power bait. Oh, you tangled in my line though. Yeah, go right, go right. Yeah, so you don't tangle my line. Packing up here. About to head down to the other campsite on the other side of the lake. Checked in, we at 13:15 here. This is West Shore, Lake Alpine. Look at the lake right there. Gorgeous. I think that's 13. Right up now. At the lake right there. This campsite 13. We got 15 also, but they haven't left yet. This looks good, looks good. So man, good seeing you, man.
Good to see you.
Right, glad you made it.
Yeah, thank you. Good ride.
Right, cheers.
Cheers. Nice and cold.
Campsite's right there. And down to the lake here. Nice little scene. Ooh. As I say, you want to try that spot?
Wherever there's a deep drop off.
Nah, you don't need deep. Or you want to try that point?
Yeah.
I was hoping that this little creek would be bigger. I was trying to fly fish it. Yeah. Go ahead and find a spot to fish over here. Looks promising. Somewhere we can actually land the fish. This is a little deep up here. I'll go to the other side over there. Yep, here's good. We can land the fish over here. That's what it looks like here. Right here. All right, cheers, brother.
Cheers.
You know, we got the game on. Just got back from fishing.
No fish.
Skunked out on this spot. But we're gonna go to my spot tomorrow. I got some fresh beef here. What do you think, half? You want it that thick, half?
Yeah, so
Okay.
cut in half.
Right, what we're using today, the competition rub. Load up. Go. There we go. Put this one with the lamb. See me? I'll go closer. Alright, you can turn it off. way too overcooked. That's
good.
fine though, man. As long as we got the sauce, we good.
That's how the men people do it, man. Overdone. Well done.
While we taking shots anyways, this is beer snacks. We got that lamb going. Got that lamb nice and red. Whoa, whoa, look at that. Ooh. Just packed up. I'll do some fishing before we head on. We're gonna head back to the first campsite where the fish were biting. Here we are, arrived at this immigrant trailhead. We're gonna go back to where I was fishing the other day, and I did camp at this campsite the other day. So go back to where we caught the fishes. Since we didn't catch nothing yesterday, we gonna have to rebuttal today. We're just walking the shoreline to the spot I was at the other day. It's choppy today. Look at that. Windy and choppy. Hopefully we catch some fish. Here, Lake Alpine. It's on. Oh. Guess I ain't switching to a power bait. Sir. Sir. We're bonking them, we keeping them. Taking them home. Taking them home today. Did you miss it? Oh no, he got it. Oh, you tangled in my line though. Yeah, go right, go right. Yeah, so you don't tangle my line. Oh, oh, that's a big one too. Looks like you're not good at tying at all, huh? Yeah. Oh man, moved over here to this spot where the wind is ripping. We were just on the other side over there, but if I head back over there, we can get no bites. There ain't no bites over here yet. Had to come back to this spot, you know. Broken the rule. Don't leave fish to find fish. Tight. Keep it real, keep it real. Keep that tension. Yank it, pull a little bit to the left. Yeah, there you go. Go against that current. That way you keep that tension on there. There you go. Oh, we got another one. Oh, never mind, near your line. It was just you caught your line.
There you go. Time. Get away from the water. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Fight.
See.
Pretty deep.
It's good.
How would you do it? Just
grab it all the way down there. You gotta find a hook. Yep. Just yank it. Go. There we go. Just got it wrapped around. shit, it's another guy's hook.
Oh shit.
You gotta get that one out. This fish had another one hooked in there.
Oh, that's one I hit early on the other one.
Nah, he was way bigger.
That hook is still eating. Oh, that's crazy.
Yank it. Yank it hella hard, just pull it up. Yep. There you go. Looks like that storm coming in. I have to call it soon. If there ain't no fish biting. If fish is biting, I'll stay through the storm. I got one. Buddy got one already. Taking him home. Just doing a little fishing before we get out. Oh, Matro. Oh! Matro. He's trying to throw it like a football. There it is. Reeled it in just to readjust it, and when my weight finally hit the bottom, it's finally bit. All right, it's time to call it a day. I head back home. Let's go to Poland, to the car, truck, call it a day, head on home. Made our way back to the trucks here at this little trailhead parking spot. Time to get on out of here. It was good, successful trip.
Alright.
Later, good seeing you. Good seeing you. See you next week.
Alright, next week.
Catch y'all later. And I'll catch y'all on the next Low Life Outdoors adventure.